What if laughter was contagious like yawning? Picture this. Someone bursts into laughter on a crowded train, and suddenly giggles ripple through the entire car. Meetings turn into fits of chuckles, and even the grumpiest days are interrupted by waves of joy. Would stress melt away as laughter spreads? Could conflicts be diffused by a shared smile? If laughter caught on as easily as a yawn, our everyday encounters might be transformed, making public spaces warmer and more inviting. Perhaps in such a world, genuine connection and lightheartedness would become the new normal.